Hi, welcome to my kitchen. The other day I ran across an interesting recipe on the back of a Pioneer gravy mix. It was for corn chowder and it just looked so interesting. I thought, I've got to try this. Now I've never made this before and yet I've already tweaked the recipe just a little bit to my taste and we're going to see how this goes. But I think this is going to be really good because corn chowder is just one of those comfort foods that I think everybody can get down for. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take that Pioneer mix. I'm going to put it into a half a cup of water. I've got this little tool that I tested a while back and I love it. So I'm going to get that blended up. I've already got water on the cooktop boiling that I'm going to be adding this to. And this is so simple. 4 ingredients, if you don't count the water, and I'm not. Going to be adding this to the boiling water on the cooktop. And here I am adding it. Get that blended all together. Going to turn that down to a little bit more of a simmer. Now in another bowl, I'm going to be adding, I'm just going to take a guess. I'm thinking that's probably about a half a cup of cubed diced ham. I'm going to be adding 1 can of undrained whole corn cobs, not cobs, but kernels. Another whole can creamed corn. Give that a quick little blend in the bowl. Now the original recipe called for bacon, called for like 4 slices of bacon. I didn't really want to open up a fresh package of bacon when I already had some diced ham that I've been using for other recipes and for making an omelet, which I do just about every morning. I already had some, why not use it up? Okay, I'm going to be adding this to our cream gravy mix. Get that all mixed together. Give that a few moments here to heat up. Here is what it's starting to look like. Get that shadow out of the way. This is looking pretty terrific, I'll tell you what. I can't wait to try this out. Time to dish some of it up. And here we have it, the moment of truth. How did it turn out? It smells wonderful. This is heavenly. It really is. You've got to try some of this. This is awesome. Some of those recipes on the back of packages, they'd actually turn out pretty good. Gotta have another bite. You gotta get you some. Simple, quick, didn't take hardly any time at all. Comes out awesome. Your family's gonna love it. If you're single, you're gonna love it. So with that said, if you're liking the video, give me a like down below. Maybe a comment, please leave me a comment, especially tell me where you're commenting from. And I will catch y'all next week. But you gotta try this, y'all. Bye-bye.